And today we will be making graffiti art. Well, I'll be showing you how to make graffiti art. So let's get on with it. So finally create a layer here, and you choose a brush. Choose a cool color that you want to use. I'll choose purple, and later I'll see what goes well with purple. Okay, so we chose a shade of purple. Choose the size of brush that you want. Choose the type of brush that. Okay, that was weird. What the hell? Okay, sorry guys. That was really weird. Yeah, so I was working on some Batman stuff earlier on. So I'm gonna choose a brush. I have a brush set that I took off brushking.com. It's a very nice site, and I got the high-res splatter brush. And I don't know. What about this? No, I need something that looks like an actual splatter. That looks amazing. To change the size, because these are very tricky to figure out the size for. And this, as I told you in the Spider-Man anime thing, my Hawaiian tablet leaves lines, but that is gonna help us today because that's gonna make the graffiti art look better. So I'm moving to my Hawaiian tablet, so if you hear me Wes, then that's normal because I don't have a microphone. So I'm just gonna write something like, okay, that's normal. That's very normal. Something like skate. That looks amazing. Right. And I thought of a cool thing that says skate till you drop. So this is understandable that it says skate, obviously. So now we need another brush. A more normal brush. A really weird brush. Yeah, that's fine. And just make it really small. About 100. And right. Oops. I'm stupid. Because now I've done something really bad. Now I've gone into eraser mode of my pen. So now I have to use my mouse. Come on, no. This guy's wrong. I hate when this happens. I have to do really weird stuff to get it back to pen. Change the pencil. Change the actual eraser in the back. Oh, sorry guys for the wait. Just, I need to figure out how to do this. I'm gonna have to use my mouse. See if it looks really bad. Don't. Got the Hawaiian tablet because I can't write with my mouse. so this looks terrible, but you get the idea. Let's delete that. Still not working. Yeah, I haven't figured out how to make it work. I need to quit Photoshop and then go back in, but that's gonna waste all of your time. Okay. So now something that goes with purple, I figured out that orange goes with purple. You can see here, that orange looks really cool. Purple. And choose another splatter brush. Put it about to the maximum size. Wherever you want to deal with it. I'm just gonna splash a load of orange stuff everywhere. And if you go on a Google, you can do something really cool. Brick wall. If you understand what I'm doing right now, then go. Because graffiti usually goes on walls and stuff. So I just get a wall. You see. I just got a wall. And then I'm going to enlarge it so that it covers all the space that I need it to cover. And then I'll change this to overlay. And I'll change this to overlay. Unless you don't want it like that. You can experiment with linear burn, I guess. Soft white looks good. And I can experiment with this one. This looks very purple. I like it. Okay, guys, so that's how you make graffiti art in a way. In Photoshop. I'm gonna experiment something really quickly. Because if I change the opacity, that's so good. But anyway, some graffiti looks good like that. Anyway, so guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more Pineapple Does Photoshop. And soon I will be starting a new channel, Pineapple Boys. I hope you check it out. But soon. It's not on yet because reasons. But yeah, I really hope you like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next vid.